Alright guys, we got a 2018 Honda CRV. I opened this cover up just to get me a 20 amp fuse. So we got both cigarette lighter fuses out. So this is the fuse I took, and I got one sitting inside. So I just want to take this tweezer so you guys can see what I'm doing in here. So both of our cigarette lighters are out, and I got me a one bigger fuse. It's not a miniature fuse, but it's a little bigger, but it will do the job. But anyways, right down here, you're gonna have all the fuses right down here. So we got our port that's not working there, or over there, the light's not on, as you can see right there. So I put my key on. What we're gonna do is, if you check the fuse right here, with the test light with the key on accessory, so that's the fuse I'm gonna be checking right there. It's hard to see, but you guys can see right there. That focuses better. So you see my test light lights up, but on the opposite end of the fuse, it will not light up. You see that? So that fuse is bad, definitely. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this tweezer. We're gonna grab this fuse with this tweezer. And once you grab it, you squeeze on it, and it will pull out the fuse. So this is the blown fuse. As you can see right through. The contact in the middle is blown. So you take your new fuse. Here's our new fuse. You stick this baby right in. Doesn't matter if you want to do this or that way. If the numbers are the other way around, that's no problem. And now we should have power on both sides. There you go. The test light lights up. I'm going to touch the opposite side, and we should have power. So that was a cigarette lighter for the front right there. Everything powered up. So there's another fuse here. This is for the rear. So this is this one right here. So you see that 20 amp? The test light lights up. On the opposite side, it does not light up. So what we do is we grab this guy right here, pull this out, and we're gonna put in another fuse. Okay, so we want to get a 15 amp instead of a 20 amp. We're waiting for the other fuse. Just want to test it for now. So you stick this in, and your rear. So that's where I stuck it right there. That's the one we removed. Now it's 15 amp. That's fine. So we're gonna get a 20 amp and swap it just for now, and both of our chargers should work. And that's it. Make sure you put this cover back in. Make sure you put the tweezer back in there, and you're all done to go. Thank you for watching.